only three way you can improve your spoken English. Exactly, dear learners. If you follow these three steps, you will able to learn English very quickly. So hello guys, welcome back again. And as you can see, I am in the different place. And you guys have understood that I am in the village now. Okay, let's get started our main lesson. So in this today's lesson, I will be talking about how to learn English very quickly by using three steps. So first step is listening skill. So at first you have to improve your listening skill, and you have to listen a lot of things. You have to listen a lot. Actually, if you want to improve your learning English, or if you want to learn English very quickly. So now question is that what kind of things we have to listen? Okay, let me explain it. So first of all, you have to listen different kind of English podcast, and then you can listen different kinds of English song, or you can watch different kinds of English movies or series which will help you to improve your listening skill. And another thing is you have to listen different kind of motivational speech, and like Sir Jack Ma. So he is a great man, he is a great influencer, and he is a very smart guy, and he is the founder of Alibaba. So he is a great motivational speaker. You can listen him, so it will help you to improve your listening skill. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, and that is two, and that is speaking. Now speaking, so after listening you have to practice, you have to speak a lot. And how you will practice your spoken English, how to speak? You will speak different kinds of things. At first you will select different kind of topics, then you will try to speak that kind of topic, or that kind of topics you will explain by yourself without your partner. You can excuse me, brother, I have no any partner, so now what can I do? No problem, you don't have any partner, it's okay. You will practice yourself, you will practice in front of mirror. Just you need to select a place where you can practice your spoken English. This kinds of place you will select, then at that place you will go and then practice your spoken English. So number third, and that is when you will speak, then you will try to record that. If you record that, after recording you will listen what kinds of mistake you can find out from your video clip. So that's why you need to record your speaking. So third one is recording yourself. When you will speak in English, you will try to record your speech. After you're watching your videos, from watching your speaking, then you will see your level is where. So then you can improve your spoken English. So this is the thing, you can, if you follow this, you can learn English very easily by following these three steps. And that's all about for today. Allah Hafiz.